Now, as India is marking 26 years of the Kargil Vijay Divas, the celebrations this year are carrying added weight. Now, this comes in the wake of Operation Sindoor, Indian Army's enhanced capabilities, the drones, the robo-dogs, the upgraded air defense show, all of them tell us how far India has come since 1999. In fact, India Today is reporting from 11,800 feet, capturing the raw emotion, the terrain and the technology. All this is a tribute that's modern but also deeply very personal for us. Take a look at this exclusive ground report filed by my colleague Shivani Sharma from Kargil.
26 years since the guns fell silent in Kargil. India's armed forces return to these heights not just to remember but to reassert. As Indian Army commemorates the 26th anniversary of Kargil Vijay Divas, India Today witnesses the mood and preparedness on ground.
I'm right now at Dras, Kargil. This is the place which is getting ready to commemorate the 26 years of Kargil victory. And here you see this is the whole town that was impacted during Kargil war in 1999. I'm right now at an altitude of 11,800 feet. I'm right now at Lamotin viewpoint that shows you all those features that were involved in the Kargil war.
The terrain may not have changed, but Indian Army's combat capabilities sure have. The boots on ground are now backed by metal in the skies and machines on command. From Operation Vijay to Operation Sindoor, India has responded with firepower and foresight. From surveillance to strike, these drones were key in countering drones' threats during Operation Sindoor.
Indian military has come a long way in 26 years, and at Dras, Kargil, we are seeing this transformed Indian Army. Here you can see the drones and how they are deployed in the operations. Indian Armed Forces now have a variety of drones for different operations, ranging from surveillance, reconnaissance and combat tactical operations. And here in Kargil, you are seeing how these drones, a swarm drone drill is taking place, where we can see how these drones are used for surveillance.
From the families who lived through Kargil, Operation Sindoor brought back echoes of another war.
मेरे फादर शहीद हुए थे, लास्ट नाइट चंदन सिंह, और उस समय मैं 2 साल का था, काफ़ी छोटा था। मेरे फादर जो आपको दिख रहा है टोलरिंग हिल, वहीं पे शहीद हुए थे, पॉइंट 440 पे। तो बहुत मेन पॉइंट था कारगिल हिल का इस मतलब वॉर जीतने के लिए हमें।
ਉਦੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਖੇਡਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ, ਬਸ ਖੇਡਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਪਟਿਆਲੇ ਭਰਤੀ ਦੇਖਣ ਚਲੇ ਗਏ, ਉੱਥੋਂ ਭਰਤੀ ਹੋ ਗਏ। ਭਰਤੀ ਹੋਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਉਹ ਰਾਮਗੜ੍ਹ ਚ ਟ੍ਰੇਨਿੰਗ ਕੀਤੀ। ਟ੍ਰੇਨਿੰਗ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਗੁਰਦਾਸਪੁਰ ਆਏ। ਗੁਰਦਾਸਪੁਰ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਕਾਰਗਿਲ ਚਲੇ ਗਏ। ਕਾਰਗਿਲ ਆਉਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਸ਼ਹੀਦ ਹੋ ਗਏ।
For many families, Kargil isn't just a chapter in history, it is a part of their identity.
मैंने तो हमेशा उनके बारे में सुना ही है, मम्मी से सुना है। 18th बर्थडे पे मुझे मेरे बुआ ने सारे लेटर्स दिए थे और मैंने वो सारे पढ़े और उसमें से मैंने मेरे पापा को जान लिया था। तो बस उतना ही है मेरे पास जिससे मैं मेरे पापा को जान सकी। और यहाँ पे आके आई फील वेरी प्राउड एंड आई एम ग्रेटफुल फॉर दिस लाइफ कि मुझे उनकी बेटी बनने का अवसर मिला।
Behind every fallen soldier stands a woman who turned grief into grit.
घर पर ही रहती हूँ, अकेली सू मैं और परमेंद्र को पिताजी, 2 इंसान लड़की सासना से हमने कोई देखभाल वालों को नहीं, कुछ भी करनी को नहीं।
Kargil is more than history for many. It is a memory, it is a legacy, and it lives on in every soldier who walks these paths again today. Where stories of valor were once written in blood, today they are etched in memory, technology and tribute. These Kashmiri women channeled resilience into art, honoring soldiers and Operation Sindoor.
आज मैं विजय दिवस के अवसर पे सबको शुभकामनाएं देना चाहती हूँ, सारे जवानों को, इंडियन आर्मी को। तो ये जो है ऑपरेशन सिंधु, जो अभी हमने देखा था रिसेंटली, जो वॉर हुआ था यहाँ पे कश्मीर में, तो वहाँ पे देखा गया है कितने सारी सुहागनों के जो उनके हस्बैंड्स थे वो शहीद हुए।
The message is clear. From Tiger Hill to Sindoor Heights, the battlefield may evolve, but the spirit of the Indian Army remains unshaken. As India celebrates its heroes, past and present, it does so with pride, power, and a promise, never again without an answer. With Shivani Sharma from Dras, Kargil, Bureau Report, India Today.